Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome in to the Trader Nerd community where you can become a part. Just look in the description down below and you can join our Discord group and we have fun in there talking about trading, all things trading. We got all kind of trades going on, all kind of rooms going on, people talking about trading. So very good. And we will have our Muscadine Mafia session today afterwards, where we will talk about drawing big green monsters in crude oil and gold, baby, because there's gold in them there hills. So we'll look at gold and crude oil in our Muscadine Mafia session today. So some of y'all are doing 111, 112s and strangles and things of that nature in those two instruments. I know that that's going on, and some of you are happy with that. So let's just put the old big green monster to them and see what we can come up with. So that will be coming up immediately after our session. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you want to be a part of that session, all you got to do is go to our Discord room and join the Muscadine Mafia, and the video will be posted there. So awesome. So hope everybody's having a good day. The market wants to go down, y'all. It just does. It is finding that, look at this little pivot point here. It just popped right off of it and come right on down. The alligator, Williams alligator, is eating, baby. And now we're consolidating, but it is heavy. AD negative 32. VIX is at 16, and we have elevated volume. So I don't know. I don't think people are wanting to go home long in this market. So I think we're going to find some further pull back on the market. Right now, we're just dead flat. I think we'll probably pull back just a little bit going into the close today. Big Green Monster shows us that our support is at 43.55. The low is 43.69. So we should, bounce in here for a while, probably in an area of consolidation. I don't think we'll drop further, but I think we'll drop further today. I don't think we'll really, I don't think there's any chance of the bucket dropping out and us just free falling. I don't think that's going on. Let's look at this. We're below the 50, we're below the 100 now. So it's only the 200 that's holding us up. And the last 3 days, look, it's an increasing volume. See this drop. More people are participating in that. So that might give us a little pause and cause for a little bit further pullback. So we will see what the day ends with. And I don't like my little thing here. Look at this, y'all. I'm only at about 1 1/3 standard deviation down to the downside. So what do you do? I don't know. We'll just see what we're going to do. Let's look at this account. So we know we're going to be down a little bit. Paper-wise, 39,678. Let's put that in. 39,678. It's a good little drop. Oh, that's the wrong spreadsheet. 39,678. Let me pull up the right spreadsheet. And that is the Tasty Trade. No. Yeah, I guess that's it. Tasty Trade spreadsheet. What I started to say, 39,678. Wow, that's a big drop. 39,678. Wow, that was a huge drop. Is that right? Not sure that's right. 39,678 is going once, going twice. 39,678. Yeah, it's even worse than that. 39,654. So we'll leave it where we put it. And today is the 22nd. Now, wait a minute. Why has this not been updated since the 13th? And today's the 22nd. That doesn't seem right. Are we missing some stuff? So this is a pullback from wherever we were on the 13th. So we're down a little bit from there. All right, so let's see Greeks and ratios in this one today. Let's pull her over here. Come here, Johnny. Get on over here, baby. So we are at 190 on the deltas and 65 on the theta. Wow, 190.65. Put it in, Buford. 190.65. Don't like this at all. 190.65. I like my theta. Why is there trouble with my saving here? Why is auto save not available? See, that's the problem. This thing getting saving for some reason. All right, so let's see. VIX is at 16. And our buying power usage, those ugly, greedy bastards, how much are they charging us to put up? 20,296. Wow. Look at that. 22.96. We're at 50%. So we're kind of where we want to be in theta land. but we're a little bit long here. So, we could do, well, I think what I'm going to do is kind of what we talked about before. I'd like to put on a little bit of a buffer. So if our net lick is, let's get the calculator out, the handy dandy calculator. If we are at 39,678, and we want to use 3% of our count to hedge per year, that's 1190.34 divided by 52 weeks in a year. That gives us $22 to spend. So that gives us, let's say it's $25. Okay. So that means we can spend $25 a week in hedging. Well, let's see what this does. So let's go over here to the ES and let's look at it's a 14-day hedge. And I'm not afraid to hedge right now, y'all. Let's go to the 14-day options. And if I got $25 to spend, that means that I can go to the one that's what, 50 cent. That's way down there. I know what you're saying. Let's just see what it does to our buying power, though, if we buy a 50-cent option. See, where can we go to get one for 50 cent? So these are 55.50. This is 55.45. We'll probably be able to get that one for 50 cents. Let's see what it does to our buying power. 29.64. Let's move that down, see if we get filled at 50. 50. So it's going to cost me $28. And we are filled, baby. And it brought it down to 19,060. Our deltas are, that should have brought it down a little bit. Should have brought our theta down a little bit as well. So we got a little bit of a hedge in there. Let's see if it made any difference at all over here. Now, remember, it's not as big a difference as if we had spent $75, right? Like we did the last time. Boy, that didn't help at all, did it? What you could do. Now, what's this when we did this the other day? Remember the one that, who was it? Was it Matt that brought up the other day doing the $75 one? Let's see what that does again. It's not going to bother me because I'm borrowing against theta to put on a little bit of hedge to the downside. So watch what it looks like. If we go back to ES, now this one should make a difference, right? We go back to ES and we go to 14 days. Now I'm doing this out of science, y'all. I just want to show y'all this. And we were talking about buying the $1.50 one. Let's see, $1.50, $1.60, $1.50. Let's try this one. It cost me about $75. Let's see if we can get filled for a little less. Now this one should make a difference, giving me $1,500 of buying power relief. And let's see what it does to our thingamajiggies. Look at there, it brought my theta down to 37. That's a big meatball. It's a big meatball. But if you want to hedge yourself, it's pretty powerful. What's this? What's this now? No, it didn't make a big meatball, did it? Well, I spent a little bit on the hedge. I was hoping it would do a little bit better than that. Did I do that in the wrong expiration or something? Last week that gave us a big old deal, didn't it? Where we did the $1.50 one, and we spent $75 for it. Anyway, let's see what our amended Greeks are. 185.39. Let's see how that looks. 185.39. 185.39 brought that down a lot, didn't it? Down to 0.10. That's fine if you want to be cautious. And it's brought my buying power down to 17,449. And I can sleep well over the weekend with that. Definitely. 43, 44%, 0.10, 185. I like it. And the good thing is I didn't bring my theta down too much, right? I want to always maintain 0.1 theta, so that's where I'm at. But it just gave me a little bit of hedge to the downside. Okay. Let's go to the other account. Yeah, I want to save it. Why are you not letting me save my stuff? You stupid thing. Let's see if I can do it. Let's change the date on it. Let's do this now. 21/23. I don't know why my thing's going haywire. Then what's this? It'll give me a circular reference objection. See? I don't know what's up with this. Close. Not sure why auto save is turned off. Let's see. Are y'all having that trouble? Weird. It's not letting me save my stuff. Okay, I just won't save it then. I'll just close it and be done with it. All right, let's go to the other one. And let's see. This one here, I pulled some out, which is part of a hedge. that I'd like to put into T-bills in a separate account. So I brought this one down to 26,052. Let's see what we are today. And 22.23. We expect to be down a good bit paper-wise. And let's see. In this account, we are at 25,247. 25,247. 25,247. Okay, so we took a little hit of about $805. Got our Greeks and ratios. No Rico firing up the band today. No problem. Let's take our groups off. What you opening there, Beth? Emu order. Did you order an emu, Beth? Is y'all's wives ordering stuff from TMU? Unbelievable. My wife, she got all this stuff coming in from China. So we're at 104.40. 104.40. Huh? You buy me something? No. And let's see what our buying power usage is over here. I didn't buy any T-bills this week. 14,624. 14,624. Yeah, that's kind of good. We're at 57%. We're at 0.16. We're at 104. Let's see if any of my trades need managing today. Uh-oh. Let's see. Do this. Hey, y'all be quiet. I'm in a class. Jeez. Quit rustling your TMU stuff, Ed. Okay, so it does ask me to close one trade here. Naked put 83 with 39 days left, the 4,000s, if we could find the 4,000, because remember all my 4,000s went missing. Let's see. 4,000. So naked puts. Let's see here. The 4,000. Looks like I do have 4,000 here. And my P&L is 38% up. Let's take a little risk off the table. Take our profits. We went to Applebee's today. Applebee's was delicious.
What do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
It was good. We did not get thrown out. Took my mama and my daughter and my lovely wife, and we went to Applebee's. So I got the Fiesta Lime Chicken, which is delicious. Do not get the rice though. The rice is horrific. Substitute with mashed potatoes and get dumpling sauce on the side. Ain't nothing better. $13.50, y'all. So we got $13.50. 13.50. So did we make Applebee's money? My Applebee's bill was $68 with a tip. So let's see, we got today it's 9, 22, 23. Did we make $68? Yes, we did. $69.12. Big Daddy paid for the Applebee's bill right there, with including tip and everything. Isn't that great? Because we got the 2 for 25. And I used the what's this app I use, Beth, to save money on gas? What's it called? Upside app. And I save $3.49 on the Upside app at Applebee's. Okay. Huh? Beth's ordering from Temu and doing all kind of stuff. So well, you are. So we're at 11.35%. The market's at 12.04%. So we expect to overtake the market at some point. So we shall see. Let's see what let's see what our trades are at as far as the deltas on them. So let's go to these here. Option delta. Here we are. So our worst delta is 19. We've got 17 deltas, 16, 14, 11, 9, 9, 9. And remember, we don't even worry about these options until what? Till they're at a 30 delta. A 30% probability being in the money. So our positions are totally safe. And I feel good going into the weekend in this account. Do I want to put on a hedge on this account? Let's see. If we want to put on just a little bit of a hedge, 0.16, $104. No, I think I'm good. I think I'm going to leave this one just like it is. I don't see me doing a hedge on that. I really did the hedge in the other one, not because I was scared, but I wanted to show you how it would move the profit hump to the downside. Of course, it didn't move the profit hump to the downside, so it didn't really help at all. But anyway, best day to put on a hedge is when the market is up. Market's not really up today, so we'll wait on that. And so some of y'all are having good experiences with your little 14-day hedges, and that's fine. Most of the time, you're just pissing money in the wind. And at this point, I don't feel like I need to piss in the wind. I think everything's good. Okay. All right, y'all. It's been a great session. We'll enter the Muscadine Mafia session next, and I will see y'all Monday.